In order to create any polygon, click on Sketch, select the plane, select Sketch, reorient the sketch, and use the palette option that we just clicked. Here you can find different types of polygons, and there are also different shapes. Right now, let us use a polygon. Let us choose this one, select it, and then click on the screen. Drag it and then place it. You can scale using the scale option. Let's type in 50. Here you can change the angle. Here you can change the angle. Click OK when done. We can dimension it. Change the dimension of the side and click OK to exit.